1, 2, 3, go.
Good day everyone, I am Cadet Hernando Rafael Jr., a third year BS Criminology student at Collegiate College of Davao. So today, we're going to learn how to properly use a fire extinguisher. First, we got to know the method. The method we're going to use is TPAS method. So what is TPAS method? The TPAS method is the initials, the steps on how to use a fire extinguisher. We have here a dry chemical fire extinguisher from Chrysler, and so let's proceed to the TPAS method. The first method is letter T, stands for twist the pin in order to unlock or remove the safety lock. Next one is letter P, pull the pin so we can have access to our handle. Next one is aim your nozzle to the base of the fire. And next is S, stands for squeeze the handle so that we can shoot our fire extinguisher. And last is sweep your nozzle from side to side. So that is all about the TPAS method, and here's the full demonstration on how to properly use a fire extinguisher.